welcome back to my channel, and it is day 4 of lockdown. Yeah, day 4 of 7. Today's Friday, I believe. Oh my gosh, everything just like rolls into one. I'm so thrown as well because my son doesn't have any official online schooling. They just have projects to go on with. So unlike last year, I didn't have to really do any set specific check-ins and stuff like that. So I'm kind of just like, and making sure that we're up by like sort of 9:30 every day. I do scroll through Facebook for a bit to wake myself up though, and then sort of get up, have a coffee, watch the updates, which takes like an hour, but gotta be prepared. And yeah, I don't know why I watch them because, yeah, as they said today, we are going to do the full 7 days, and the 7-night eve or the day, they'll decide whether we go extended or not. Our cases are pretty good. We only had 1 new case today and we had 2 yesterday, so I think they've gone hard and gone early, so that's pretty good. But yeah, we shall wait and see. So today's plan, I'm getting a very late start on the day, so it could be quite interesting how much I get done. This might be a 2-part video depending on how much I get done, because I'll have to get dinner done a bit later as well. We are going to clean the bathroom, and this is a job that I love and loathe all at the same time. I love the finished product, but I spend a lot of time and energy cleaning it because I don't clean it as often as I should. Shh, no one tell my mum. Yes, but I don't really have a lot of cleaning tools. I just sort of have a brush and things like that. So now I've decided to fix that, and I went to Kmart and I bought a steam cleaner. Now I was looking at, I think it's Karcher, steam whatever, online at Bunnings, but it's like $200, and I thought I'm just not sure. But when I looked, then also there was Bissell shop cleaner or something, because they have a spot cleaner and then they have a Bissell steam shop cleaner or something, I don't know. I watched a video on it on YouTube, and what I saw is that they have pretty much exactly the same pieces that are in here. So I figured for $25 I'm going to give it a go and then give you my feedback and review on it as well. So let's go for a quick tour around the bathroom. Say hello. I'm sorry the lighting's not all that great. It was about 4 o'clock by the time I came in, and it was starting to rain outside, so it was starting to get dark early. Our house was built in 1955, I think it was, and so this bathroom is super old and the tub is super small. I would love to renovate the bathroom, but we did the kitchen last year, so I think the bathroom will be the next project. First product I'm using is this Easy Off Band, because I saw all the ads on TV many time ago, and they were like, look, just do this and it goes. So I thought, okay, I'll give it a go. So I just started spraying a little bit in there, and then I got a little bit carried away and was just spraying everywhere. And also enjoying watching it run down the wall and then getting frustrated that it wasn't running down exactly in the grout, so I just helped it along a little bit. I realized at this point I've probably used way too much, but when you're in already, you're like, let's just keep going. Then I got this scrubbing brush from Kmart. It was $3, and I thought I would just scrub over the tiles and give it a go. Then Kira informs me that I need a mask to work in the bathroom, so of course I put that on and then went to town cleaning. I pulled out the steam mop thing and went to town. I loved how easy it seemed to remove some of the grout. I did it a little bit earlier, which I didn't show you, before I had any product, and it didn't really move anything. So I find that this steam cleaner really does need product on there just to help it along. I'm sure that if you had a shower in there beforehand and the walls were a little bit wetter and warmer, it would probably work a little bit better. But for this, it seemed to work. Just that little pass, and I got that little bit of dirt off. So I've done the rest of the wall, and it's come up quite dirty compared to what it looked like. Being it's kind of like a yellowy browny tile, it doesn't seem all that dirty until you're right up close to it. So just wiping over the rest of the wall, and I ran my hand over some areas because you can always feel the soap scum. Next, I'm just making up a super simple paste of bicarb and washing liquid so I can test it on the other wall to see how well that helps clean up the soap scum, and I will put up a video later of some of the cleaning frugal hacks that I do. I'm just taking off a plate that we had there from a old shampoo and conditioner dispenser. It's taken a few months to kind of get off, but it's finally loose enough that I can do it without damaging the tile. So that was satisfying for it to come off. Now I've got my paste here that I'm going to apply to the wall. I just wet the wall down with some basic water and then scrub over the top the bicarb mixture. I just use the side of a soft sponge, and then you can go back over it later with the rougher side if you want to scrub at the wall, but I was just as an experiment wanting to leave it for a little bit to see. Next, we have a lot of soap scum on our glass doors, as you can see, and so same principle, just spray with water and then scrub over with the bicarb. Same thing again, soft side first, and then I did the rougher side and then buffed it off with a microfiber, and you can see that small spot is pretty good. So then I did the rest of them. It doesn't look like I'm doing much here, and they actually look quite clean from this angle, but I can tell you they were not. The more and more you scrub and you'll see the white build up and the soap start mixing with that mixture, you'll know where your soap scum is, so you'll see it going to work. I then went over it with the steam cleaner just to help loosen it all up, and as I was going, I think I was creating more suds in some areas, so I'm definitely going to need to go over it again, which is totally fine. At least I know I have a bit more of a cleaning area to do now. Well, hey everyone, there you go, a couple of hours cleaning. I didn't get as much done as what I wanted to, but in between doing dinner and life and everything else, so clearly this will be part one. I've done as much of the tiles here as I could. I'm really happy. There is a few little mold spots, and this wall I did with the baking soda, and that's come up really well. I've just got, again, quite a lot of mold there, which the baking soda didn't quite get. But I'll show you another cleaning tip in my next video of what I do. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying watching someone clean a bathroom and that you're not cleaning your bathroom. I hope that you can just go, she can clean it. Yep, that's what I'm here for. Please subscribe to the channel because you can follow me along for part 2 if I can get it all done, and I'll also do some cleaning hacks with baking soda and things like that too. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.